Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you my typical morning, breakfast and everything, and I'll show you my apartment and I'll tell you how much do we pay for it, for gas, water, electricity, how much electricity do we spend, and also I'll show you the inside of my fridge. I wake up at 8 a.m. to take my 4-year kid to kindergarten. At first I go to the bathroom and then to the kitchen. This is our kitchen. A table, a sofa, books, mostly for kids, a guitar, my husband plays it, a lemon tree, a TV, a gas cooker, a washing machine and a dishwasher, and a fridge with our photos and my daughter's drawings and magnets from trips. Let's see what's inside. Kefir, yogurt, milk, salad leaves, cheese, mandarins, boiled chicken and shukrut or fermented cabbage, potatoes and apples, eggs, candies, a bottle of wine, a bottle of champagne, and different sauces. Here we've got chocolate and bread, medicine and cereals, millet, oatmeal and rice. Here we've got buckwheat, pasta and oatmeal again, and flour, sugar and rice. And on the shelf, salt, olive oil, sunflower oil and coffee. Tea, cacao, honey and spices. In the morning we don't have much time to cook, so we eat oatmeal or muesli. Today, oatmeal. I just add boiling water and 1 minute and it is ready. And some milk. We are having breakfast watching the cartoons, Super Jets. Then, very quickly, we have to put on our clothes and we are almost ready to go out. Okay, we are ready. So, we live on the 8th floor, so we use an elevator. On the right side you can see a ramp for wheelchairs and strollers. This is our entrance hall. And the kindergarten is just in front of our house. It's over there. You can see it. Going inside. Here's a playground and Christmas decorations. A daycare for children is opened from 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. and we pay for it 2,500 rubles per month. It's about $40. Then I go back home and now I have to deal with the bills for housing and utilities. A short coffee break with friends and let's start. Here are the bills for housing and utilities. The size of our apartment is 50 square meters. We have 2 bedrooms and 1 kitchen. And we spent about 400 kilowatts per month. So for electricity, we pay 2,000 rubles, it's about $30, and $10 for the internet. Then hot water, $50, cold water, $30, heating, $20. Other payments, gas, repairs, intercom, $40. So total $180.